So last year I was sharing pictures, maybe I had a video or two, of me building my moon gate. The circular gate that we see here going into the backyard with the goal of training my Peggy Martin rose to start up and go around. Well, look at this right now. Not bad for the first year's growth on it and getting it trained to grow up. It needs a little bit of help with the training because Peggy Martin is kind of a leaner. So I've got it tied up on the framing of the moon gate, but I think it's turned out pretty good so far. What do you guys think? Put in the comments how you think I'm doing with the Peggy Martin rose. And just a little bit of a hint, over on the other side, I got it coming up there too. It's not as far along as this, so I'm really not going to show. That's the latest on my moon gate with the Peggy Martin rose climbing on it. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.